you away. Can you see my hair? Can you see my hair? I had a new haircut. I had straight hair just like my mom. As you know, my mom is biracial and my dad is black. So now I'm embracing my hair as Kelly as it is. I'm not straightening it. Well, what do you think? Okay, I know I need to cut it and trim it and make it look prettier. Okay, so back to what I am here about. Before I tell you, let me tell you, my mom is Shekinah Glory. She is married to Emmanuel Glory. How blessed cool are my parents' name, and I am Shama Glory. Well, I'm here today with my parents. We're gonna be meeting my uncle who is coming all the way from America. My uncle's name is Khalil. He's coming from the Fresh Dolls range, and now he's come all the way to join us, and today we are having a box opening. Yes, I am so excited. I cannot wait to meet him. I hear he's cool. Okay, we are here. Oh, yes. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about my uncle. He is coming from the line of dolls called Fresh Squad by Dr. Lisa. You will see as he gets out, and Faith will read the packaging. He is the new male doll from Dr. Lisa. If you want him as well, Faith can hook you up. Alright, but now, my mom and my dad, right? Emmanuel and Shekinah, they are the coolest parents, and I love them so much. And they're gonna join us because my uncle is my father's cousin. That's how I am related to him. So, drums, please. As we are about to open the box. Mom, are you coming? Are you coming, Mom? Mom? Dad? Oh, my parents, they like to take their time. Okay, yes. I can't wait for this box to be open. Look at this. Oh, it's such a huge box. Wow. Yes, here's the big box. We're gonna be opening. Oh, yes. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, Faith, please open the box. Please open. Okay, firstly, we must wait for my mom and dad. Mom, I'm coming. Mom, yes. I heard you, Shama. I'm coming. Oh, I can't wait to meet your uncle Khalil. I wonder what is going to be his name. What, Faith? Oh yeah, I'm on time. I'm just on time. I can't wait to meet my cousin. It's been so long. Oh, Faith, please open the box already. probably wondering now, what is this small thing in here? It's the actual doll that I first ordered, which I ordered together with Khalil. This is Barbie's little sister, Kelly, and I'm still gonna decide whose child she's gonna be. Oh, Shekinah, come see. Oh no, she is so beautiful. Oh, Faith, look at her. She looks like me. She has hair like me. Shama, come see her. Oh, she's so gorgeous. Oh, mommy. Oh, she is beautiful. She really is beautiful, mommy. Oh, we must adopt her. Oh, she is gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Okay, now it's time to take out our surprise. The long awaited, well, it was not long. It only took a week for him to arrive. Not even a week. It was just a few days because he was already here. This is our Khalil from Fresh Dolls. As you can see behind here, it says authentically created, consciously designed by Dr. Lisa, and these are the other dolls by Dr. Lisa. Yet to know all their names. I will just read quickly. To be fresh is to embrace your look and wear it with confidence. It is my heart's desire that fresh dolls represent multicultural beauty and self-love in children, an extension of positively perfect dolls. Fresh dolls have trendy fashions and hairstyles, custom skin tones, and beautiful faces. They are beautiful with movable joints and moralistic bodies. Okay, I'm not gonna rush and open this box. I don't feel like opening him. I will open him, I don't know when. Oh, look at this. He is so cool. He has beautiful clothes, but it's not my kind of style. I'm not into men in shorts and sweatshirts, but anyway, he is handsome. He is well made. I don't feel like opening this box yet, but when I do, I will surely obviously add it on to here. I must say the doll looks much more handsome in person than in pictures. He's taller and bigger than Emmanuel, I must say. Yeah, because Emmanuel is a little bit skinny, this candle of mine. And oh, Uncle Khalil, I am so happy to see you. I can't wait for you to get out of there so that I can play with your hair, with your braids. You are just handsome. I think you look like me. It says here on the box, hi Khalil, hi. You guys are just disturbing me. It says here on the box, cool hair braids, fun to bend and pose, fresh Finity wear shoes, and realistic hoodie. Check out the shoes. These are the coolest sneakers I've seen. They're purple underneath. Yes.
Please like and subscribe.